Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. If you're having trouble receiving your Telegram verification code, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue. Let's dive right in. First, when logging into Telegram, make sure you're entering your phone number correctly. This includes adding the correct country code before your number. If there's an error here, you won't receive the verification code, so double-check that everything is entered accurately. If you've entered your number correctly but still haven't received the code, the next step is to check your message settings. Make sure that the Send as SMS option is enabled on your device. This setting allows SMS text messages, like verification codes, to be sent and received. If it's turned off, Telegram might be trying to send the code, but it's not getting through. Another thing to consider is the Filter Unknown Senders setting on your phone. If this feature is enabled, it might filter out messages from numbers not in your contacts, including Telegram's verification code. To check for any filtered messages, open your Messages app and tap on Filters or Unknown Senders to see if the code has been sent there. It's possible that the message was received, but it's just been tucked away in this section. You should also review your blocked contacts list. It's important to ensure that you haven't accidentally blocked the number that Telegram uses to send verification codes. This number is typically a 5-digit short code. If it's blocked, you won't receive any messages from it, including the verification code. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and receive your Telegram verification code without any further problems. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.